So I did it. My first Traxxas motor removal. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to attempt to take this engine apart on my first DIY with this Traxxas slash four-wheel drive. I had posted a video previously because I was gifted this RC and it runs, but there's one issue: it just does not move. So I posted a video online asking the RC community for some assistance because I'm new to the nitro hobby, and someone said take the engine apart and replace the clutch pads or something of that nature. You can check out that video, it's popping up right now. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to take this apart and see if we can get this guy running again. Hopefully we can all learn something together. Alright, so let me stop talking and let's just get into this. What have I gotten myself into? Okay, the screws off. Bracket is loose. That fuel line right there goes to the motor. So my advice is, if you're doing this for the first time, even if you have instructions, just take pictures. Take lots of pictures so that way you know where stuff goes back. Doing it with a cell phone is much easier because I can record and take photos at the same time. Pardon my bird Kibby, he knows I'm recording and he's making himself known. And here's the bird in question, making all the noise, ruining my video. Yes, you. I'm talking about you. At least Peppa's being quiet. Okay, now I believe I'm going to take off the air filter. Probably going to have to do this from another angle because I can't record this and try to take it off at the same time. So, switching to another angle. Now. Okay, so I got the air filter off that was attached to this little guy here. I'm not going to bother taking that off. I don't think I have to, but just to get the more access to the motor, took the air filter off, which is dirty and should be replaced anyway. And it's the little retainer clip that keeps it in place. That's going to get its own little sandwich bag, and yeah, now you can get a better look at the motor. I'm assuming this guy here is the culprit in question. I'm not particularly sure. Probably have to still do some more research to actually figure out what is causing it, or if that's the part that I need to get. So now I believe my next step is trying to disconnect the exhaust. One step closer to figuring out why she no go. Moving on. Okay, so I got the exhaust off. Yeah, so right there is that was kind of a bear to get off because of the angle, but it's off. Alright, as you can see, I'm in the process of unscrewing this screw right there, and that's making the motor looser and looser, so looks like we're getting close. Let's continue. with that last screw removed, the engine is now even looser. Hopefully I can demonstrate that for you. So there's not much left holding it up. So we're almost there, guys. Let's just keep going. We'll remove this wire here and then figure out how to get this guy off here, the throttle, and then I should be able to pull the motor right from underneath there. Okay, so it looks like that indeed was all I had to do, was pull the plug out, just applied a little more oomph and out it came. So now I'm gonna shine a light down there and make sure everything came out that was supposed to come out. And yes, if you can see down there, there is the glow plug along with some hair. But yeah, so the motor is now officially out, or officially removed from the chassis. So I did it! My first Traxxas motor removal after doing some research and looking at diagrams and things of that nature on YouTube. It's out. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and comment. I know I didn't do everything, in exact order or in a professional manner, but this is my first time, and I'm hoping this video will help encourage others who feel like they can't do it themselves, that, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. The motor's sitting here in my hand, no longer on the vehicle. So, yeah, you can do it. You just be patient, take your time, and you can do it. As long as you have the right tools, you should be able to do it. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video so we can diagnose what the actual issue is now that the motor is out, and hopefully we can take a trip to Hobby Lobby, get the parts that we need, install them, reassemble, well, not reassemble, just put the motor back in and hopefully get her running again. So yeah, please don't roast me too bad about, oh, you didn't have to do this, or you should have did that, blah, blah, blah. I get it. I'm a noob, but hey, I got to learn at some point in time, and I learned a lot just by taking this apart. Now, I just got to put it back together once we figure out what's wrong with it. All right, so stay tuned for part 2,